Yes, people, what is happening? I'm Roman, I'm a street photographer based here in London, and only a few hours ago I picked up an iPhone 12 Pro, hoping for this to be my pocketable, go-everywhere street photography camera. And today I spent all day walking around London doing some street photography with this. Now, unfortunately, it's all JPEG, it's not RAW because the update is not out yet, but it is what it is, got to make do with what I've got. And that's it. Now, this whole video is going to be a two-part video. This first half is a POV street photography type video where I bring you with me and show you behind the scenes of me taking photos, composing, and the image as well. And then the second part of the video will come probably in a few days or maybe in a week, once I've had some more solid time with this camera to see how it works, any issues, problems, things like that. So right, I'm not going to waffle on anymore. I'll get straight into the video. And yeah, let's go. Alright, and that is all for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have questions, comments, complaints, issues, write them down below. Also, if there are any particular scenarios or modes or settings or anything that you'd like me to have a look at or pay particular attention to over the next week as I'm using this more and more, please write them down below because I might not be able to cover everything top of my head. And that's it. I'll see you in part 2 of this video, and yeah. Oh, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff if you're into photography, street photography, London. Yeah, I guess that's all. In a bit.